We're thrilled to introduce our latest beginner-friendly robots. These affordable, open-source robots come with comprehensive support to help you start quickly and easily. Plus, they're all powered by state-of-the-art multimodal generative AI. Mr. Turtle, can you run fast?
Are you joking? I'm the fastest turtle in the world.
What's the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Capital of Japan in Japanese.
Tokyo.
Capital of China in Chinese.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors. You lose.
It provides you with helpful tips on healthy eating.
The meal on the left has 966 calories. The meal on the right has 170 calories.
The robot understands your hand gesture. You can also use Rose 2 for running SLAM, navigation functions, and other technologies similar to those used in self-driving systems. Play a competition? Absolutely it can. This robot is gearing up for the next Olympic Games. About 3 years ago, we launched our first robot and delivered to many countries. We truly appreciate your help and are amazed by your creativities. Now, our new robot kits are almost ready and they're easier to use than ever before. We'll prepare more samples, online guides, and video tutorials. The multimodal generative AI robot is an excellent choice for you. Please give it a try. Thanks.